military coups are incompatible with democratic norms. However, military interventions in politics can lead to different post-coup political orders. In my research, I examine the immediate aftermath of all post-Cold War military coups. And I distinguish between two outcomes. First, the non-intervention of the armed forces in post-coup elections and their withdrawal from power in the immediate aftermath of a coup. And second, autocratic resilience, which refers to the rigging of post-coup elections by the armed forces in favor of a military or civilian presidential candidate the junta deems suitable. Around 50% of post-1989 military coups results in the withdrawal of the armed forces from power, which is somewhat surprising. So I'll ask the question, what accounts for this variation? And working with configurative methods which seek to combine country-specific factors with broader causal claims, I focus on the role of civil society in the aftermath of a military coup. Interim findings suggest that the capacity of civil society organizations to mobilize larger sections of society against the prolongation of military rule is at least a necessary condition for the armed forces to withdraw from power in the aftermath of a military coup. Interim findings further suggest that domestic actors and domestic agency carries slightly more causal weight than external factors such as aid dependency, trade relations, or diplomatic relations between democratic countries and the countries affected by military coups.